Welcome to the future of marine navigation. Raymarine Marine Electronics delivers an intelligent suite of radar, sonar, autopilot, and multifunction displays, all integrated for total command at sea. At the heart is the Raymarine Axiom 9, a compact, high-performance touchscreen display that unifies radar, GPS, sonar, and autopilot into a seamless interface. Paired with the Quantum 2 radar, it offers real-time Doppler tracking, enhanced chart overlays, and long-range precision. Raymarine systems are built for serious captains. Featuring chirp sonar, 3D chart plotting, and Lighthouse OS, they empower smarter decisions in any condition. With over 35 years of expertise, Concord Marine Electronics designs and installs these systems for yachts and super yachts, calibrated by NMEA certified technicians for optimal range and clarity. From advanced FLIR thermal imaging to bridge-wide control via NMEA2000 or SeaTalkNG, Raymarine ensures you sail with unmatched awareness and confidence. Whether upgrading a 58 azimuth or commanding a 95 expedition yacht, Concord delivers professional-grade performance proven to cut navigation workload by 40%. Explore the full range. Raymarine Axiom or Quantum 2 radar, Lighthouse charts, integrated, reliable, smart. Raymarine plus Concord Marine Electronics. Precision you can trust, support that goes the distance. Explore now at concordmaриneelectronics.com.